how much I'm sweating. Look at my face.
Me too.
Look at my face. Baby.
You're blocking.
Oh my gosh.
Me too.
You too, Ty?
Yes.
Oh, gee, that's how hot it is. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good morning, honey. Good morning, Ty.
One.
Whoa! Sarah, what you gonna have to top that off? Beat that, Sarah, beat that. No? Alright, tell her win for now. Tell her win. Tell her win. Tell her win. Tell her you win, Ty. You win. He said, Wagwa. I love it. Anyway, you guys, we are up and out this morning. It is some minutes before 11 o'clock and I have 11 o'clock pick up. So I'm gonna pick up a Jamaican colleague of mine that I met in the Jamaican in France group, and she is in Nice for a while, so she coming to spend some time with me today. So I'm meeting her for the first time face to face today, and I'm pretty excited. When the Jamaicans, hold on time, when Jamaicans are around, I have to see them, and I think next week I have at least 3 of them to meet next week, but we're gonna have to plan the meetup. They'll be in Nice for a little bit, so it's either I'm going to see them in town or something of the sort, but we have to plan it. But for now, today is Shana day. My girl Shana is coming by my house. We're gonna have lunch and, you know, get to know each other and chit chat the good Jamaican way. So going to pick up my girl right now. Yes, Ty?
But I forgot what I wanted to say.
Anyway, you guys see all the fam.
Now you know what I wanted
You remember?
to say. Yes.
What?
I wanted to say that Shana knows have a little round the gold thing.
Shana knows have a little gold thing here?
Yeah.
Okay. In Shana nose, it's called a nose ring.
Why?
Because people can pierce anywhere they want on their body to put ring in it, just like the earring in mama ears and in Sarah ears. Right, so female always pierce like the nose or the navel, but only female normally do that. Okay?
Like you and Sarah.
Yes, but it's not mama style, so mama don't want her nose to pierce. Mama only wants her ears pierced. Right? So what you see in Shana nose is called a nose ring. Okay? I didn't know he noticed that. I showed him a picture of Shana yesterday to show him who is coming by. So he's very observant, I see. That's hilarious for him to say that. I had no idea he would say that. Anyway, you guys, we are on our way, and Shana is I'm gonna pick her up on the promenade stretch. So yeah, it should be a good day. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to the fam bam, make sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vloggy vlog. My girl is here, and we have been busy chatting. Look at her getting camera ready. We've been busy chatting. I didn't even realize that I didn't show you guys her because I picked her up in a rush. Say hello, Shana Banana. Let me get the good face. Let me zoom on the good face. Zoom on the beauty. There goes Shana with the bright smile. So we're here barbecuing. Let me show you guys. Outside. So baby's on the barbecue as usual. Barbecuing, we're setting up. Tyler is here. Tyler, say hello to the faves.
Wagwan.
Hey! Listen, he's so in this Jamaican mood. Baby's here. I just finished making some salad. I'm gonna drop some fries in the fryer right now. Shana can't drink on hunger belly. She have to eat first. But she had water and she having nuts.
Oh, why? I assume that it was up.
No, the fact that you say I need to eat first, that's why I said maybe it's not.
Coca or orange juice or apple juice or...
No, water is fine for now.
Okay, fries. Let me drop some fries real quick. Tyler ready to eat.
I'm very hungry.
Okay, by the time that Ryan finish, the fries will be ready, okay? In the fryer now, baby. 5 minutes. You can sit. Okay? Making up. Finally eating something. Alright, so
why is like the cashew with unsalted now?
Everything I have is unsalted. Unsalted cashew, unsalted almond nuts, and unsalted peanuts.
I mean, I can always come with the almond, but
Cashew?
the cashew is
Listen, you know what I find?
Very
Maybe because I don't do much salt with snack.
okay.
Is when we buy it with salt, I have to brush off the salt.
Oh, you get so used to not
It's a lot.
eating, yeah.
Oh God! And now when I eat anything sweet, I just feel like they're gonna fall out. So I can't. I
It's a
guess
mental
maybe
thing,
your
you know?
body-
Yeah, your body's
You see she aggressive?
Don't fight, Tata. Hey, yo.
You see she
Don't go.
I have 75.
How much you have?
17.
What is this?
17, Thailand. And Shana just finished playing memory.
You win.
You have 14 and
Yes.
now 17.
Good job. Come get Tata a high five. Come get Tata a high five. Good job. Okay, good job. I'm very proud of you, huh?
Yes.
Here. What is this?
She care about what happened, yes, yeah? You fight out your clot.
Terrorist.
I saw me call her, no? Terrorist. She not take no check and no charge from nobody. You see her? Mysterious.
You have to relax.
Sarah. Huh? You guys, we ended up at the pool with the kiddos.
Relax,
In this
Tyler. Relax
sun
here.
hunt.
2 tenths. Relax.
So it's Miss Sarah's snack time.
Okay.
At her vodka now, she's having a compote. Tyler's in the water, of course. You guys know Tyler go on water.
Good job. Bonjour.
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 The sun is
The sun is
down now?
down.
The
Where?
sun is not down, but okay.
Put your foot on you and count to
I think that's allergic to the sun, huh?
Mama.
They have joined us finally. Sarah working Shana. Because this little girl doesn't stay one place. Look at her. With her sexy self. Sarah, I love your swimsuit. Give me a wear.
Yes, alright.
I tell you. Nothing. Nothing at all. Watch the dance. Catch the dance. Dance, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Eh, eh. Go, Sarah. Turn up, mama. Oh, oh. Turn up. Turn up. Eh. You think Tyler busy? Check out Sarah. Sarah, where you going? That's swept. Tyler? Guys, we spent the rest of the day with Shana just relaxing and playing games, and Shana ended up staying for dinner, and she did leave until night, like about after 8 p.m. in the night. So we had the best day with Shana. It's good when somebody can visit you and you feel so comfortable with the person, and you know, have just a good time. It was good meeting her and catching up yesterday. We love you, Shana, and we miss you. We can't wait to visit Shana. Shana lives in Netherlands, yeah. So yeah, that was the end of our day. We had a really tiring day yesterday, but it was good nonetheless. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch man, keep up, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.